Introducing SalesPilot AI, a browser extension for Chrome. Use it to optimize your website and increase sales. After installing the extension, pin it to the toolbar and click on the extension icon. By default, the extension will open in pop-up mode. All important and useful information about the site will be divided into tabs. There are also tabs with history, extension settings, and account information. Let's change the extension display mode to side panel for more comfortable work. Now, every time you click on the extension, it will open in the sidebar. The main dashboard page displays a button to launch a comprehensive analysis and a summary analysis of all analyzed website pages with recommendations from AI. The next tab, Core Web Vitals, displays all the important numerical indicators of website performance that Google takes into account when ranking a website. And with the help of AI, you can get specific steps with highlighted code to improve performance. Each recommendation from the AI can be marked as completed, allowing you to track your actions to optimize your website pages. The next page is site information. Google Analytics and Search Console statistics are also connected here, allowing us to see the main basic behavioral and search metrics. The search is further divided into summary statistics, top queries, top pages, and pages with high potential for optimization, which you can see by clicking on the hint icon. The next block displays a list of technologies used on the website with links to them, highlighting the sitemap and robots on the website. Next is a block with the geolocation of the site's server, information about the domain, site security settings, as well as social rating metrics, which include popular review services, mentions on social networks, and a summary of reviews. The next tab contains information about the page, where behavioral and search statistics from Google Analytics are also displayed, but for a specific page. Next is basic meta information about the page: titles, descriptions, H1 titles, number of links, text, and metrics with text additionally marked as AI-friendly or AI not friendly, which shows how well the text is optimized for AI to use the site's content in its recommendations. You can learn more by clicking on the tooltip icon. At the bottom, there is also convenient navigation between previously checked pages in the extension. The next tab contains information about links on the page, divided into internal and external. For internal links, an overall score is also displayed if they have been previously analyzed in the extension. Here you can also mark recommendations as completed, which will change the score for each block and the overall score for links. You can save link data from the page to Markdown, JSON, and HTML files. The next tab is the main feature of SalesPilot, which is responsible for visual analysis of the page using trained AI that determines the type of page and separately analyzes the desktop and mobile versions of the site, after which it gives ratings on various metrics that can directly or indirectly affect sales or conversion on the site. There is a separate block with recommendations that can be marked as completed, sent as a task in Trello, requested for detailed information, or deleted. The implementation of recommendations also visually displays the progress of the overall page optimization. You can switch between reports for different types of devices and see different ratings and recommendations for each. For example, let's mark one recommendation as completed and request details for the second. The AI will analyze the page information and provide specific implementation steps with code examples. Next is a tab with the history of site checks, extension settings, and account information. At the top, there is also an option to export a full report for the current page or the entire site. Thank you for your attention. We wish you successful optimization and sales growth with SalesPilot AI.